These are the contents in the box once the cover is opened. Let us now unbox the printer and take a look at its contents. We have the input tray. We've got the dust cover. It comes with a USB cable and it has got two power cables. Besides that, it has got the usual learning product materials, which is the setup poster and also the reference guide. Let's remove the tapes from the printer. Okay, you need to pull this orange handle and discard. Next, load in the input tray. And then the dust cover. Next, plug one end of the power cable into the wall socket. Plug the other end of the power cable into the power socket at the back of the printer. Let's power on the printer. You can see that once the power is switched on, the printer automatically powers up. In case you need to power on the printer, the power button is right over here. Next, let us load some paper into the printer. First, remove the dust cover. Take a stack of A4 paper and load it into the input tray. Remember to use the paper width adjusters. Then replace the dust cover. So you have unboxed the printer, powered it up and load paper into the input tray. The next step, you need to download the software from 123.hp.com or from www.hp.com/support.